August the 24th, I want you to have a driver's license, all right?
Okay.
2022 at 8:30 a.m. I need you back on August 24th, 2022. Bring a driver's license. That's going to be a pre-trial date, August 24th. Let's get him to his other judge, Austin Garrett. That's who you're, what courtroom you need to be into right now. You need to call them. You need to zoom in. That Zoom ID. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
It's 360-338-0000. You also need to take this phone number down, just in case, 313-965-2294.
Appreciate it, Your Honor.
All right, you need to get there as soon as possible.
Yes, sir.
Tell them you were in here this morning too.
Okay.
All right, have a good day. Good luck to you.
Appreciate it.
Is that Gainey Anthony, Gainey David Gainey II?
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning to you, sir.
Do you have registration and insurance for this vehicle?
I do. I apologize. That was actually a loaner car. I actually was in the glove compartment that day. I didn't know because the loaner didn't tell me. My truck was in the shop, so that wasn't my car when I had got stopped. But I do have it, sir.
All right, let's see it, please.
All right. Absolutely.
This is the city of Detroit versus Anthony David Gainey II. Case number SP 1202186, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sheriff Harris on behalf of Mr. Gainey. Mr. Gainey, could you state your name for the record? Possibly remove your ad.
Absolutely. Anthony Gainey. How can I share my background? Because it's in my phone.
Okay.
That's the picture of it.
Are you the driver?
I'm the driver. Yes, you said I'm the driver.
Okay, just making sure you're okay.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna put my email address in the chat. You can email me the insurance. If you can show me the copy of the registration, I'd appreciate that.
Certainly, I'm gonna do it right now.
Yes.
1 second, please. I'm doing it right now as we speak.
As for purposes of arraignment,
My client will stand mute, waive formal reading of the information, Your Honor.
all right, I'm gonna enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give him a $0 bond. And I'm gonna wait on that. I'll wait on that information.
It's on the way right now. I'm just putting in the subject line.
Okay,
All right, being CT.
Mr. Lamar,
Yes, Your Honor.
good morning to you.
Good morning. How are you?
All right. All right. This is well, let me let's put you in a breakout room with the attorney. He's charged with open intox driver. That's the only offer, which I call a non-offer, is open intox passenger. And that's the same 2 points on your driver record, and it's an alcohol-related offense. So If your client wants a trial date, I can get him a trial date to see if he can do better. He can't really do any worse, so I can put you in a breakout room. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with the attorney, and you can speak to her about it.
No problem.
Join the room, please. Good morning, Officer Turner. I'm gonna put you in breakout room 1. I don't know where the city attorney is. Sir, you can't be driving now. You gotta pull over. Are you pulled over now? We'll wait on that information to get here, and
Okay,
when it gets here, I'll let you go.
certainly, certainly.
This works. I didn't tell her, thank you. Yeah. Good morning, how are you? I didn't tell the young lady to be there. Thank you. Okay, let her know. The other insurance came through pretty quickly. All right. Let's go. We need a city attorney too. All right, let's go with City of Detroit versus Deshaun Ronnie Lamar. Case number 204-55278, counts 1 and counts 2, and 207-16135, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Lamarck. Mr. Lamarck, please state your name for the record.
Deshaun Ronnie Lamarck.
Your Honor,
Arraignment, counselor.
for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute, waive formal reading of the information. We have discussed the cases and his rights. He is respectfully requesting that the court set these matters for trial.
Do we have new dates?
Huh?
New dates.
Did you get the date?
They weren't up there.
Oh, they wasn't up there? This is for trial.
Trial, all of them. Yes, please. All right, August the 23rd, 2022, at 9 a.m. I'm gonna enter a $0. I'm gonna enter not guilty pleas on his behalf. I'm going to give him a $0 bond, and a trial date is August 23rd, 2022 at 9 a.m. There's nothing
Yes, sir.
further, sir. Up to you. Have a great day. I'll see you back in August 23rd.
Thank you. Bye.
Did you copy and paste that email address correctly, Mr. Gainey?
Absolutely. I can read it back to you, make sure it went correct, went to the appropriate place. 1 second. Oh, it still says sending. Oh, no, now it says it's sent now. Now it just literally just sent. I guess it was just the area I'm in St. Clair Shores. So it should be on its way now, sir.
We have some officers that say dropped off before you left.
I'm talking about, we have an officer sitting in the breakout room, I guess for trial, and he needs to speak with one of those city attorneys.
Okay, I'll call him. They should be sent.
And that's it so far. And then Lark is here. He has a trial set. He needs to learn how to. Let's see.
All right, I'm out of office.
All right, let's go back on the record. Now, this registration is expired.
At the time of the time of the service, that was I only had that for 1 day, sir.
All right, that's 12/1/2021. Do
Mhm.
you have registration and insurance on the car you're driving now?
Yeah, but I wasn't driving that, sir. I was driving. That was
I
my
didn't ask
Lincoln.
you that. I didn't ask you
Sorry.
that. I want to see some good insurance and registration. That's all I want to see.
My fault.
Some
I just thought it was.
Insurance and registration. And you can hold it up to the screen if you have it sitting there.
Okay, yeah, everything I have was just electronic. Hold on 1 second. I apologize
It's
for
electronic.
misunderstanding.
All right, send me the valid stuff now,
Yes, sir. 1 second.
please. Five, 9/2021. All right. All right. I'm gonna dismiss cases. I'm gonna dismiss the cases. He's provided me with valid documentation at the time. I want, where's it? Oh, I've already done. For, Jamie. He's provided me with valid documentation. All
Thank
right,
you, Your
all
Honor.
right, sir.
Yes.
I'm sorry. What you
Go
say, sir?
ahead. You have insurance on this vehicle that you're in now. That's
Absolutely.
all right.
Yes, sir.
You're free to leave, sir. Have a great day. I got dismissed.
Thank you again,
I
sir.
dismissed both your cases.
Okay, is it zero balance, sir? I'm sorry. I just want to make sure.
Zero, I'm gonna waive any. What did I do with the
You mean for Haney?
gain? Yes, zero balance.
All right. I appreciate your time, sir. Thank you.
All right, I appreciate yours. Be safe. Have a great day.
Yes, sir. You too.
Officer Scott, good morning to you. I'm gonna put you in. Who are you here for, Officer Scott?
Good morning, Your Honor. Zurich Odin.
Zerk Odin. I
Yes,
want to
sir.
know Officer Turner's here for. I'm gonna assign you to breakout room 1. You don't have to join it right now, but I'm gonna assign that to you. We're waiting on the city attorney to come in.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Hey, is Tamika still sitting there? You doing this work? Judge Marcus will tell you, thank you for filling in. Okay. Judge, she said you're welcome. I fell yesterday in front of the court, so I was kind of slow yesterday. I hurt my foot. I just gotta put in a, you know. All right. Fix that. Oh, what's up? Oh, right there, laying in front of the court. I was in the car and fell in the hole, and I came down on this knee.
The one where they have those barrels there.
You know, like right there where they had those cones. And so normally my mom dropped me off right there, went into the hole. Like, I don't know, the same thing that is responsible. Fixed. Got a 10 o'clock motion? Goss had brought it up when he dropped off the please, because he didn't have the files yesterday because his Thomas, my director, had the files. She was taking a look at them. And so if you need please, I got them for certain people.
He doesn't have the necessary stuff. I don't have it in front of me. I don't know why these people don't have their stuff in here. Do we have a file? I don't
Let
have
me
it.
check.
I got mine today.
You got one?
I have mine.
That Yeah, Mr. Mark.
Mr. Lurk? Yeah, I have it.
Yes, can you hear me?
I can hear you. Just sit tight. You got about 20 more minutes before, see if this officer shows back up. If they don't, we'll call your case. You have videotape.
Okay, and I've been trying to fix my audio. I couldn't hear nothing just up until now.
I sent you a chat. I sent you a note in the chat.
I don't see that. I'm trying to see. Oh, I see it now. I'm sorry, I see it now. I never seen it.
All right, you gotta turn your video on too.
Okay, yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
If you do wrong, be afraid, for he does not bear the sword in vain. He is the servant of
Mr. Lark, can you, mute your, I'm gonna mute you or turn your thing down.
I'm sorry about that, Your Honor.
I'm gonna mute you until you get your name called.
Call back. Hey, this Jamira probably be a update. Get to see your turn for 134. Okay, we'll just wait. Okay, bye-bye.
All right,
We're ready on Mr. Lark.
I thought you would be.
Hi, can you hear me?
I can get-
Hmm?
That is
How are you today?
very good. Okay. This is the city of Detroit versus Taekwon Marquise Marquette Lark, case number 17-352027, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Lark. Mr. Lark, please state your name for the record.
Taekwon Lark.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for trial. Complaining witness has failed to appear. We move for dismissal.
Okay, that will do it. I'm gonna grant your motion, Counselor, Mr. Lark. I'm gonna dismiss the case, no officers. I'm gonna waive the warrant fee. He's gonna be responsible for the 3 reinstatement fees. If there's nothing further, Mr. Lark, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
I just had one question, Your Honor.
What is that?
I was seeing because I had already went to court for this back in 2019. I mean not 2019. I'm sorry, 2020 or 2000 January of 2021. And when I came to court, the judge had us sitting in a courtroom for like an hour because I guess court was canceled or rescheduled, but we were just staring at the screen before she put the thing up telling us that it was rescheduled. So I end up it was rescheduled, and then the next court date I end up having COVID and couldn't make it. But I already paid like I believe like almost $600 to $700 on this ticket. And when I went down there to get my license reinstated the first time when I came to court and seeing you, they told me just to bring that up to you and see what they be able to, the money that I already paid, would they be able to you know, bring it for this, I guess.
The unfortunate thing is this stuff goes back to 2017.
Yes.
So
My first time going to court on it was 2021 of January. After I had already paid like $700 to $800 just to get it cleared and go to court. I was just seeing would that money be still going towards this, or did I lose that?
yeah, it looks like you lost that money on March the 11th, 2021.
I believe that was the second court date.
What I'll do is I'll waive his reinstatement fees as well.
All right. I appreciate
Thank you,
that.
Your Honor.
You won't owe any money out of this, all right?
All right.
All right, you have a driver's license now?
Yes, sir.
All right, congratulations. Good luck to you, Mr. Lark. Keep it that way, all right?
All right. Thank
Have a good day.
you. You too.
So the officers that are in the breakout room
Zerk,
for,
open.
okay.
Judge, State Attorney Paula Cole sent that email. It's on the wrong page.
Yep, that's good. You can do it, right?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
you have this guy coming in, or he's supposed to come in, Mr. Lappin, for a setting aside a conviction. The only thing I have, excuse me, the only thing I have in front of me is I haven't, from the city attorney's office, a motion, a response to his motion to set aside conviction that they, if there's no, if he's eligible, then they don't have an issue with it. But all I have else is a ROA. The offense date was 2008, and I don't have a note from the state police, or I don't have the,
Is he representing himself?
it appears to be, I'm gonna wait on that file, I guess so, I don't know. Good morning, Mr. Boss.
Good morning, Your Honor.
So I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, but the people haven't showed up yet though, so.
What people?
Oh, just Olden, we're just waiting on Zurich Olden. Those two officers are in there for Zurich Olden.
Okay.
So it appears that he's representing himself, but they're not. I'm getting a lot of people that aren't coming with all the documentation.
And is it because they're representing themselves?
I would think so.
But they kind of give you a checklist, even if you were, okay.
It just, it outlines everything. So I don't. All right, Sergeant Barr, good morning to you.
Good morning.
We called Lark's case and we dismissed it. We had a 30-minute grace period.
I'm sorry about that. I was out on the street on something. Okay, it was 5 years old and I was looking for through my past tickets and couldn't find it anyways, so.
Okay. Be safe
All right,
out there.
thank you.
So that's usually what happens. So there, I mean, even if, I mean, the most important letter would be the letter from the Attorney General's office, right? But the state police letter needs to be in there as well. And nobody has those two things.
I'm wondering, do they not want to pay the fee, or they think that the court is going to pull that for them?
Well, this one other guy, he's been on us, I'm not, this is to set aside a conviction, this is not an expungement, and he needs to get a job, and he's you know, And I basically told Ms. Mathis to tell him he's gotta have the right stuff in the file. They have an opportunity to respond, and it's very simple, it's 1, 2, 3, it's laid out.
Yeah, that one I don't know. And there's all types of legal aid programs right now that would walk them through it and would do it for them.
Yeah.
Some of them are, most of them are pro bono right now.
On the back of that application, it's got every step. You could just, once you just walk each step, you just walk there and get it. It's easy work. So he should be zooming in a minute.
But if it's not right, he's just.
Well, he's still gonna want to zoom. I'm sure he's still gonna zoom in, and he's still going to have something to say.
Man.